difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the fashion and style sins teenagers make, and if you're doing one of them, you better stop doing them right now. If that sounds interesting, let's hop right into this video. Number one, and I am guilty of number one, is wearing clothes that do not fit you. I know, I do not want to hurt your sentiments, alright, but you should stop wearing your dad's old baseball shirt which does not fit you. I know, this was cool in the 90s, wearing your parents' old clothes to save money, but what's the point in wearing those clothes and going out when it doesn't fit you and doesn't look good on you? It's better, like, I live in India, so I'll talk about Indian currency. Buy a white tee which is 199 rupees which will fit you, and yeah, you look much better and it's cheap. So yeah, that's fashion sin and style sin number one. Let's move on to style sin number two. Number two is spending too much money on trends and hype fashion. You know, hype fashion and trends are always about the next thing. So by the time you buy this thing which is in trend, it will become old and people won't pay heed and attention to what you're wearing, and they'll always be praising the next thing which is in fashion and trend. Like, no one cares if you buy a Gucci cap worth $1,000. It looks crap, I'm sorry, but it looks horrible. A person wearing a basic white tee and who's layering it with a leather jacket will look much more badass and much more, like, if you're doing that to look richer, the guy with the leather jacket will look much more richer than you, rather than you wearing on the Gucci cap, because though it's expensive, but you're looking lame in it. And yeah, there's no point in hype fashion and trends. I always insist and I always keep telling this: spend your money in basics and good jackets. Yep, that's what I'm saying. And of course, a good watch. A good watch, you know, gives you a luxury feeling. Number three is a style sin which I am quite guilty of, and that is wearing on baggy jeans. Yup, that's it, wearing on baggy jeans. But baggy jeans were a huge trend in the 90s, but this is the 2020s and baggy jeans are And when I'm saying baggy jeans, don't go and buy super skinny tight jeans, or else your legs will look like a girl's legs. Super skinny tight jeans look cool on a girl's leg, but on a dude's leg, no. If you're a guy, okay, most of guys watch this video. If you're a girl watching this video, then go ahead, buy super tight skinny jeans. But if you're a guy, go for jeans which have a carrot fit. The one which I'm wearing right now is a carrot fit. I'll need to jump. I don't want to bring the camera down from the tripod, so yeah. You know, you've seen my Instagram pictures, how my jeans look. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, it's @Maximus_Arana. Follow me right now. Number four is having dirty white sneakers. White sneakers, when they are clean and super new, they look so cool. I mean, like, wow, like, white sneakers are super awesome, yep. But what happens when you dirty them and turn them into brown sneakers? Do they look good? No. Same goes with white Converses, any shoe having white color. They look super cool at first, but if you wear the same thing, you know, and it's dirty, it's turned up into a brown shoe, it won't look as cool. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want more videos like this, smash the like button, comment and tell me, and of course subscribe. Come on, raise those numbers up. I want to reach 10,000 by the end of this year, and I'm gonna make it happen. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.